aclEZ is a tool for managing and analyzing your Domino ACLs. First select a server, and then which ACLs you want to load. I'll just load them all. Here aclEZ's grid interface gives you a bird's eye view of all the ACL settings for the whole server. Now all the ACL entries are available in one flat view. And if an entry is a group, this button will show its members. You can also show group members directly in the grid using this group expander. This grid lets you sort, filter, and group ACL entries any way you want to see them. For example, I can check for security problems really quickly. Here I can group by access and name, and I can see that default is set to manager. You can edit multiple ACL entries at once. While the Domino administrator does allow you to modify more than one ACL entry across several databases, it forces you to work blindly, so you have no idea of the current status of the entries you're modifying. aclEZ's grid lets you see exactly what you're doing. Here we can change the default from manager to reader. We can change all of these at once with the attributes modifier, and then click apply. You can modify ACLs from the right-click menu as well. So you can create new entries based on current selection. You can rename selected entries. You can delete selected entries. And here you can also import and export entire ACLs. And note this pencil icon shows that an ACL entry has been changed in the grid. However, the changes won't be applied to the server until you click Apply Changes or Control S. aclEZ's grouping grid also offers a quick and flexible way to find and fix missing ACL entries. So you can copy and add this ACL entry exactly where it's needed. To do this, you just right-click and select Copy Selected ACL Entries to. First, we can see where this ACL entry is missing with the presence header. So I can see that it's only currently present in one. And then I'll select the databases to which I want to copy the ACL entry to and click OK. I'm using the spacebar to populate the checkboxes. Now this entry has been added to all the ACLs we had selected. aclEZ offers enhanced role management, letting you see exactly where roles are available and add them where they're missing. This tool also makes it easier to manage the assignment of all your roles. To see all the roles available in these databases, select the Roles tab. In the grid, I have two entries selected. To see which ACL entries have this role available to them, check the Names Affected column. Here I can see one of the two is affected, and I can click this button to see which one. In order to toggle the role assignment, use the checkbox in the Role Assignment column. And the right-click menu lets you create new roles, rename roles, and delete roles. To change global ACL properties, select this tab. Note that this is the same as the Advanced tab in Notes. You can select any number of entries in this tab and change them by right-clicking. So you can mass edit administration server settings like enforce a consistent ACL across all replicas. You can also see multiple ACL histories in the same window. aclEZ also offers a NAB Group Navigator for analyzing groups and their members across the entire NAB. Managing the nested groups in your Notes address book can be extremely difficult and time-consuming. Here, you can explore all groups in the NAB, including nested groups. To open the group document in the NAB, just right-click any entry. Thank you for watching this overview of aclEZ and its basic features. For more in-depth information, please visit this link.